So the student table is empty. Let us insert something into students table. We have three fields in this, like row columns in this. First is the ID, then we have name, and then we have enrollment, and then we are going to add the values. First we will add 1, then we will add Fahim, and suppose the enrollment is A1 or 1, 2, 3. Okay, it says the row query is okay. Now when we select or when we try to see what are the contents of this table student, and we have ID here as one, and then we have name as Fahim, then enrollment 1, 2, 3. Now I have forgot to add the primary key to this table. What I will use, I will use alter table, then the table name. What is the table name? It is students. Then I will use add primary key as ID. So I am making ID as the primary key. So it is showing error here. Okay, we have written here table incorrectly. So now it will work, I guess. Yes, it is working now. Now we will see the contents of the table. Okay. Now here the only difference between this table and this table is that we have set a primary key here. That is, primary key is a key that will uniquely identify the row. So this entries will always be unique. So we have added unique key here. So this is the example of how we can alter the table. Also, we have some other like concepts that we can use. I have already given you some content. Here you can see SQL. We have how we can create, alter, and drop. These are data definition language. Like this comes under data definition, these functions. Then we have used select, insert. Now we have to check how we can delete and how we can update, and that will come under, it will come under the data manipulation. Data manipulation is where you are manipulating the data. You are trying to manipulate the data. You are trying to edit the data. So how we can delete or how we can perform the deletion operation in SQL. For that we will see now. And then we have update. For example, I have a table with 3 entries, but I want the table to be in to have the 4 entries, so we can update the same table. Why to drop and delete it? We can update it. Okay, so in that case, what all these functions like select, insert, delete, and update, it comes under data manipulation. Then we have data control. For example, grant and revoke. You grant some permissions to the user, and what you do, you also revoke some permission.